Hello and welcome to Full of Food. In this video I'm going to have a look at some accessories for the Ninja FlexDrawer and the Ninja Dual. One of the things I get asked a lot is about silicone liners and about the different accessories that you can get from the different machines, and there's a lovely company on Amazon called Homely Life and they provide accessories specifically for different machines. So here I've got some air fryer accessories for my Dual, and here I've got two different types for my FlexDrawer. So let's start off with the Dual. We'll unbox it together and we'll have a little look. So it comes in this nice box. You can see all the bits that are in there. They're non-stick, flexible, reusable, heat resistant, and the important one here is the fact that they're food grade silicone. So that's really important when you're using something in your air fryer. You want to make sure that you say you buy something that's food grade silicone. So inside here we have some of these little silicone gloves. These are really handy if you've got a little tray inside. I'll show you the little tray or the little rack in a minute, because it just stops your fingers burning, and more importantly, get it in the right way, means that you don't burn the top of your hand as well. So some little silicone gloves there. Next up we've got some little tongs. Now I love these tongs because again they've got silicone, so they're nice and soft, so you're not going to scratch your air fryer there. So a nice little pair of tongs for turning food over. And then something I use a lot in my air fryer, especially when I'm cooking something like salmon, is this little oil brush. So this, again, silicone, it's not going to damage anything, and it just means that you can brush the surface of your food and get even more flavour in. Okay, next up in here we've got a little air fryer cooking guide, and so we've just got your quick flip guide for recommended temperatures and cooking times. So this is nice, look, little bits for bakery, poultry. What I really like about this is you've got the temperature here and then you've got the cooking time. Remember, when you're cooking in an air fryer, the thickness of your meat does matter though. Lovely little booklet there, that's a nice little touch. And then delving in deeper, two identical looking silicone liners. So there we go, look, a lovely little liner, I'll show you in the drawer in a minute, to go into your drawer, meaning that cleaning wise it's a lot easier. And I find things like fish fingers that can really make your drawer quite smelly, but something that you can remove like this liner is perfect. And of course it's reusable, which is really important. We don't want to be throwing things away. And then we've also got here some racks. Now, I love these racks. Some air fryers come with these as standard, some don't, but it differs by manufacturer. But what we've got here, so just a normal rack to pop in so you can layer your food up. That's really nice, really important. And then this one, which I love, which is, you could use it as a normal rack as well, but it's got these little grooves in here so you can pop these little kebab bits in to cook little kebabs in your air fryer. So nice little bit of kit there. And there's one more thing in here that we like to use, this because it's reusable, but this pack does actually come with some other liners as well. And like I said, sometimes there are some things that you just want to use something that you can throw away, so things like fish fingers, and these are just little paper liners. So they're nice, they're paper, they're like baking paper basically, and that can just stop things sticking in your air fryer. So nice little touch there. Let's have a look. Let's get one of our drawers out. So here's my Ninja air fryer drawer, already getting a bit sort of bashed and dirty. I use this every day. So here's one of the silicone liners. You can see that fits in there really well. That's really nice. Gives you still lots of space. And then likewise, if we get one of our racks, you can see that they fit in perfectly. And this company, Homely Life, are really good because they sell you depending on what air fryer you've got. So there's the little kebab rack, and then got our little paper liners to go in. So like I said, if there's something you really didn't want to stick, that's a really nice touch to get those as well included. There's 100 in that pack, so they're going to last you a super long time. And then if I just show you these lovely little mitts, so if you've got something in there and you want to take it out, Make sure you get that bit on the outside because that protects the outside of your hands. Put your hands in, pull it out, and you won't burn your hands on the side. So really nice touch there. So these accessories, like I said, are specifically for the Joule. Moving on, let's focus on the FlexDrawer. I've got 2 sets of accessories to look through here. So let's unbox the first one together. Mitts, nice little black ones these time. Similar accessories in this one. So we've got the tongs, oil brush, and then we've got that nice little kebab rack and little normal rack. And underneath here is what should be different, is the actual liners. So these are made for the FlexDrawer, so they are bigger. We'll see what that looks like when we put them inside in a minute, see if it fits nicely, and get our drawer out. So here's my FlexDrawer. I've got the divider in at the moment. Let's have a little look and see what happens. Get them in the right way. So they again fit really nicely in there. Handles to the sides by the looks of it. So really nice liner there because it fits the whole of the drawer, and that's one of the things I found. I bought an accessory pack before for my Joule when I first got it, and actually the liners were way smaller than the basket, so I lost a lot of cooking space. So that's really good for that FlexDrawer there. Let's open that final box, so I won't bother unwrapping them. Same again, we've got all those little accessories. Haven't got the mitts in this one. It might be that they're just missing this silicone liner here. Beautiful, look at that, a big liner that goes in the FlexDrawer. Let's get that in the machine. They can really make your machine quite messy and dirty. So let's take out that central bit, and look at that, that is brilliant. It has got a bit of a ridge there, not quite sure why they've done that because the FlexDrawer doesn't actually ridge in the bottom, but that's nothing to worry about. It'd actually make your joint stand up a little bit more. But look at that, it fits brilliantly into that FlexDrawer. Means that you can cook to your heart's content and then just take it out and give it a clean. A couple of things to say about these. They are dishwasher safe. Of course they're reusable, we want to save the environment a little bit. And the most important thing is their food grade silicone. So I will link all the products in the description below. Please have a look at this company. They're really nice, they're really friendly, and they just make liners that actually fit the machines, which I think is really important. Like I said, you don't want to end up losing that valuable cooking space. So thank you for watching. Bye.